In this video, you'll learn how to list an item on eBay. By the end of this guide, you will have a published listing ready for potential buyers to view and purchase. To begin, navigate to the eBay website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on your dashboard, locate and click the Sell button. This button is typically found at the top of the page. After clicking, a new page will load where you can start your listing process. Enter the product name in the provided text box. The system will automatically suggest category options based on your input. It is essential to choose the most accurate category as this will significantly affect your item's visibility in search results. Next, you will need to select the item condition from the available options, which may include new, used, or refurbished. After that, decide on the listing format, either auction or fixed price, depending on your selling strategy. If you have product identifiers such as an ISBN or UPC, enter those as well, as they can enhance your listings ranking. Completing these basic details properly establishes a solid foundation for your listing. After setting up the initial details, you will now add item specifics. Begin by uploading clear photos of your item from different angles. This visual representation allows buyers to inspect the product. Following the photos, craft a descriptive title that includes the brand, model, and key features of the item. Fill in item specifics such as size, color, material to enhance your listing search placement. It is crucial to describe the condition of the item honestly and to mention any defects or wear. Finally, set a competitive price based on your research of similar items to help attract potential buyers. Once you've added all necessary details, proceed to select a shipping method that aligns with your fulfillment speed. Specify the handling time you can commit to, as this will inform buyers when they can expect to receive their item. Next, choose your return policy and payment settings that you are comfortable with. Before publishing, review the fees associated with your listing and check the listing preview to ensure everything appears correctly. It is advisable to fix any spelling or pricing errors at this stage. When you are satisfied with how everything looks, click the Publish button to make your listing live. You may encounter a loading screen while the system processes your request. After publishing, monitor the performance of your listing regularly. This allows you to make adjustments if necessary based on buyer interest and feedback. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.